Dalton cheated on me. Cue the jazz music. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I took Advil for this hairstyle. And I also did my brows kind of different today, just like Ari. Oh my gosh, y'all are probably like, girl, stop being delusional. You don't even look like Ariana Grande's pet pig. You're kind of used to being gaslighted by guys anyway, so why don't I get a pass? And if you guys are wondering, I'm using Maybelline Superstay. I'm literally Ari, but make it drugstore. I did manage to get some R.E.M beauty products. I don't know why Ari doesn't sell this to the Philippines. R.E.M, where have you been? I actually missed filming the first step of this Ariana Grande makeup tutorial, and that is to take Ozempic because you're freaking fat. I know I shouldn't have eaten for the past 3 days. I was actually like super excited to film this video and do this whole Ariana Grande hairstyle, but now I kind of figured out that it doesn't suit me, and I look like Aang from Avatar: The Last Airbender. Now it's time to finally try the R.E.M baby doll palette. Like, geez, I wish someone called me baby doll. This is what she looks like. Okay, so we're dipping the brush, people. We're dipping the brush, and we're finally trying it out. Period, boots the house down, slay boots. Period, boots the house down, slay boots, slay. Slay boots. So now to finally answer your questions. Ari, why did you and Dalton break up? The past few weeks before we actually broke up, I actually saw a lot of videos that said that Venus retrograde is coming. So I took an initiative to actually break up with him because I want to be an astrology baddie. Period. Cheers to looking like Ariana Grande. Or dating one.
Is you LGBT because your gun pink?
You know what? I actually should have done my eyeliner before drinking wine. Am I good at eyeliner? Not even if my life depended on it. Oh, and where are my manners? My name's Zen, by the way, and if you guys didn't figure it out, this is satire, so please don't say mean things because it affects me. Okay, so now we're contouring my face because my face shape is not giving Ariana Grande, it's giving Caitlyn Jenner. So we kind of have to fix that. Okay, time to use another R.E.M product. This is the Interstellar highlighter in Saturn, I think. Use code ZEN for literally 0% off. This is what she looks like. Period. That's pretty. You guys have no idea how much I had to wait to actually try this. I had this like 3 weeks ago already and I still couldn't use it. Oh wow, that is actually pretty. Like, no kidding. It's so subtle. So that's the actual highlighter. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I actually discovered the best makeup hack on TikTok lately, and that is using heated lash curlers. A random zesty twink boy actually did it and was like, period. We love that. We love that, period. The brand I'm using is Philly Millie. Philly Millie. Philly Millie. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but like it's actually curling my lashes pretty well, even better than my Shoe More ones. So I was like, so I'm gonna apply some lashes and mascara and I'm gonna be right back. Lashes are on. I kind of found a pair that looks similar to the Eternally Meowing lashes. I'm gonna line my lips first with MAC Strip Down. Oh my gosh, do you remember when Ariana Grande made like a makeup tutorial and she was like, oh, let's call my Nona and see what she's doing. I kind of want to do that at the same time, but then I realized that my grandma's dead, so I can't really do that. Okay, so next R.E.M product that we're using is the On The Ear Color Classic Lipstick in Pucker Up. It smells so good. Wow. Okay, so that's what the lips look like. I love them, period. Okay, so the last R.E.M product we're trying is the Thank You Next Plumping Lip Gloss. Least this song is a smash. This is the clear lip gloss that everyone's been hating for whatever reason. I think it's like the packaging and stuff, but I actually kind of like it. It looks quirky, and it smells really good as well. So I actually tasted that and that stung me. Oh, and by the way, I just noticed, Miss Ari, why does this look like an uncircumcised PP? I mean, I kind of like that, but like, cool. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope that you actually try and do this. And please don't take anything that I said seriously. I just have an effed up sense of humor, so that's probably why. But like, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you guys think that I look like Ari. Yeah, that's literally it. I don't know what to say. Subscribe, I guess, and follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram, I guess. Also Threads. I'm on Threads. I'm having so much fun there. I don't use Twitter, but I do have an account. Up to you if you want to follow it. But yeah, hope you guys love this video, and I hope to see you again on my next one. Bye!